If the doors themselves had little bumpers on them, we always remove the bumpers before we paint, and because we do paint the back sides of the doors, but if you don't put new ones on, they make a little bit of noise and they could easily, chip. I mean, we're using a 2K poly, so they're probably not going to chip. This is an industrial coating from Centurion's Coatings, but what we want to replace the bumpers. If they didn't have bumpers, it's just a nice added touch for your customer, and we just use little clear cabinet bumpers right here. I just get from our store, and they're just simple little bumpers that have an adhesive on the back side of it. I'm just gonna pull one off, and you just find where that door is touching. I can see it's touching up here at the top. I'm gonna stick my bumper on right there at the top. So it has a nice soft touch at the top, but if you let go of it a little bit, it's hitting on the bottom too. So I'm gonna put one on the bottom also. So I'm gonna stick a little bumper down here also. Try not to get your finger on the adhesive of the bumper. Otherwise, they won't stick as well. So what's happening is this one's rattling when it's bumping, so we're gonna get another one. So this one, I'm gonna put one on this door. It's hitting right here at the top. Put bumper at the top, there we go, hitting at the bottom. So we need one. A lot of times you only need them on one corner, but these are touching both top and bottom. There we go. Nice soft bump. So there we go. The drawers, same thing. I'm going to look at where it touches. Just touches. I can put it on any corner on a drawer. It's a little bit, it's touching almost all the way around. So I'm going to put one on this corner. Now the drawer has a nice soft touch to it when it lands. So this one, it's touching down on the bottom right there, lands just perfectly. I'll show you on the door here one more time. This door is touching up top right here. There's my bumper. See if it's touching on the bottom too. It's touching on the bottom too, so I'm just going to stick one on the bottom. Nice soft landing. Just like that. And these things are really inexpensive, but it's just added touch. You can tell your customer, hey, I put new bumpers on your cabinets. Or if they didn't have them, you just tell them, hey, I put some bumpers on your cabinets. Now they close nice and quiet and make the customer happy. So don't feel bad about bragging about your work, the work you do and the extra things you do for your customers. So there it is. Got new bumpers, and now the doors even set evenly, all the way across the top. They're not setting in at an angle because they're touching and sticking out right here in the front because of the hinges. Very simple thing you can do to add something. You could even add it as an added service to your cabinet repaints. And I could say, hey, we're going to put new bumpers on your cabinets. It's going to be an additional $75, and it takes you about 15 minutes to add them, and just a few dollars. And it could be an added service or just a service you add at no charge. If you got any tips or tricks doing cabinets, offering amazing customer service, just put it down in the comment section below. We would love to hear what you have to say. If you got any tips or tricks about bumpers, what you use, if you do anything like that, leave it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every time we come out with a new video. It's free, simple, and easy to do. Out.